Hello student, good morning. Myself Amita Khamesra. I am teaching you Mendel's law, the topic of 10th class. First, I would like to give you some define or some keywords for the law, that is trait. Mendel's law. First, I am giving you some keywords. These are trait, means character. Then phenotype means appearance. Genotype, arrangement of genes. These laws are based on the heredity. Heredity, you know, the things which is given from one parent to the next generation. These thing is known as heredity. The Mendel's first law is first law of Mendel. Law of dominance. Law of dominance. In this law, he took two plants of different size. Two plants of different size. Tall and short. It is also called monohybrid. Monohybrid means he took only one character for this experiment. Tall plants has the gene structure capital T, and in short plants the structure of gene is small t. When he crossed them, then the 50% from the tall plant and the 50% character from the small plant, and we get the F1 generation. From this fertilization we get F1 generation. In F1 generation, self pollination or self fertilization is done. From this self pollination we get F2 generation. F2 generation this is the female, and the genes of female plant is this, and the genes of male plant is this. When this T cross with T, we get T and T. This T cross with this T, and we get capital T and small t. Here same thing is here, T and T or T. In this table we can see that the all plants having the all 3:1. 3 plants are tall and 1 plant is short. 3:1. This is the phenotype structure of plant. From this table we see that the T ratio, T ratio, T ratio, T and T. In this way we can say that 1:2:1. This thing is called the arrangement of genes, and it is called genotype structure of F1 generation. Here is T is dominant and the plant is tall. Here is also plant is tall and this is short. From this we can say that the three plants are tall and one is short. It is called phenotype, means appearance of the plant is this: three tall plant and one short plant. This is the phenotype structure, three tall plant and one short plant, but we can see the arrangement of genes is 1:2:1. It is pure tall, hybrid tall and the pure short. This is called the law of dominance and the first law of Mendel. All the tall plants are dominate over the short plant, and this is called law of dominance, first law of Mendel. We will start second law of Mendel. It is also known as law of segregation. The second law of Mendel is known as law of segregation. In this experiment, he took two traits. He took two traits, means two plants of different two character. Like first is round seed and green flower. Here is wrinkle seed and yellow flower. Two character. He took two character. One plant, two character. One plant, two character. Round seed and green flower. Wrinkle seed and yellow flower. When we cross them, we get F1 generation, and this is also called known as dihybrid. Dihybrid experiment, because here we took two character, two plant, two character. Round seed we denote by the capital R. Green flower denote by the small y. Here wrinkle seed denoted by the small r and the yellow flower is denoted by the capital Y. This is the gene arrangement in this plant. Round seed, capital R, green flower, small y, wrinkle seed, small r, yellow flower, capital Y. When we cross them, these are the dominant character. So, what happened in first generation? R and R, Y or Y. R, Y, Y. When we cross them, we get R, Y and Y, and this is F1 generation. When we cross them, cross fertilization, in this different kinds of plants we get in the F2 generation, and this is, to know about this, we have to make a table for this. We see the different kinds of plant and different color variation in the plants. Here we can see R and Y. Color of the seed and the flower is round yellow, because both the character are capital, and capital genes are the dominant over the small. So here is the round and yellow plant, round seed and yellow flower. Here capital R means round seed. Again we are having here capital Y, it means yellow flower. So, yeah, so we can see that round and yellow flower, yellow plant. Here is round and yellow again, round and yellow again. Here is round and yellow, round and green, because both the genes of flower of the color is small. Due to this reason, the plant is round and green. Again round and yellow flower plant, then round and green, because the character the genes of color of the flower is small. Due to this reason, the color of the plant is flower is green. Here is round yellow, again round green, round wrinkle, wrinkle yellow, and here is wrinkle wrinkle yellow, wrinkle green. This is wrinkle green. From this table, we can conclude that the Mendel took got 556 plants in all. 315 is round yellow, 108 round green, 'wrinkle green, and 32 wrinkle yellow. In this way, we can see that wrinkle green, we do not have wrinkle green plant in the first generation, but here we get wrinkle green plant in 101 plants. Round green, round yellow is not there also. So we can get round yellow also, and this is the wrinkle yellow. 315 ratio 108 ratio 101 and 32. These are the different ratio of different kinds of plants. We can conclude, when we simplify this ratio, we get 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. So the separation of genes in this law is different kinds, and we have different types of plants of color and size. Due to this reason, it is called the law of segregation. This is the second law of segregation, Mendel's second law. I took two laws of Mendel. What is your opinion? I want to know about this. Thank you.